This feels unreal, y'all. Holy. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Last Poppin' on coming to you guys with another video. Alright guys, today we got an absolute banger. I've been waiting a very long time to make this video, guys. I'm finally about to be putting a D-1X in the lavish thing so we can finally push this thing to over 1,000 wheel horsepower. Huge shout out to Procharger. I'm officially sponsored by them, so just know I'm definitely gonna be running Prochargers on all of my builds, guys. Make sure you guys give them a follow, go shop. But yeah guys, let's hop straight to the video. Officially the last cold start with the setup. I'm about to miss this setup, but it's time for bigger and better things. She's been running amazing. I'm telling you, I have the built block, so it's been able to handle more power, but I've had the smallest Procharger they make, the P1SC, so I haven't been pushing it, guys. I've just been staying right around that 850, 900 mark, but now it's time to put on the bigger blower, and yeah, we're gonna be pushing some steam. Here we go, guys. We're about to take this one off and ship it off the Procharger. So yeah, guys, I got my boy Goose coming too, so I'll keep you guys posted when we get this thing off. All right, guys, boom. I just took off the belt right now. Honestly, just gonna be a few bolts to take off the head unit. It should be pretty easy. And I have to take off this clamp right here.
There you go.
Jeez, guys, it's about to come out. Shout out my boy Goose, pulled up, real one. Shit, the Holy Grail. Jeez, this is crazy, guys. I'm about to ship this thing out today, and I'll get back with you guys in like a week whenever we get it back. It's about that time, guys.
Later.
All right, guys, it's a few weeks later, and we finally got all the boxes we need. This is about to be one of my favorite unboxings, honestly, guys. All the Procharger tags, you guys see it. It feels like Christmas, y'all, but yeah, I'm gonna start with the biggest one. All right, cut this right here. I haven't been this excited to mod my car in a very long time, guys. Like, we're really about to turn this thing up. We've been talking about it for a minute. It just feels surreal just because you guys remember we blew up the motor. Motor's here. All these type of things, and now we're bouncing back with a bigger head unit, smaller pulley, and the belt. Oh my gosh, guys, I know this thing's gonna look brand new. They gave us the Procharger oil. Hold up. They got this thing looking brand new, y'all. Hold up. I just wanna see what this thing looks like. D-1X, boys. Big upgrade. Oh my goodness, bro. This new impeller looks crazy. I don't know if you guys remember before, but this thing was tiny. And this is way bigger, bro. I don't even know if my turbo guard's gonna fit anymore. I guess it will fit. I'm gonna have to loosen it up though, guys, but oh my gosh, this feels unreal, y'all. Holy, this thing's crazy, bro. I can't wait to hear what it sounds like. But yeah, guys, I'm about to put it back in here just until tomorrow because we're gonna install it, and then on Wednesday we're gonna be driving to LA to get it retuned and put on the wastegate. But let me show you guys the smaller pulley and then the belt. Oh yeah, guys, this new pulley is way smaller, and we also got the green belt to go with it. I'm just excited as hell, guys. This is literally about to be a crazy combo right here. This thing is about to go to the moon, but I'll check in with you guys tomorrow when we install this. Then the next part should be going to LA. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, it's the next day. We're putting on the smaller pulley right now. There's a huge difference, guys. We're about to be getting a lot more boost. Like I said, I'm super excited, guys. Shout out to my guy Grant and Philip over at Procharger. You guys really hooked it up. We got the turbo guard right here too. This is going back on, about to fill it up with the oil. And then yeah, it's an easy install, but I'm gonna show you guys really quick. So if you guys wanna upgrade your head units, it's super duper easy. All right, boom, guys, it's about to go in right now. This housing is way bigger, guys. And like I said, the lip is huge. So the turbo guard should slide right on, but yeah, let's get it. All right, guys, we took this boot off right here and we put it on the Procharger just because it's a little bit bigger. It sits in like a different position. So yeah, we're about to just throw it on right here and then just try to slide it on afterwards. All right, boom, it just dropped in. Oh yeah, we already got it connected and everything. Just there's like 7 bolts on the back, and yeah, it should be pretty easy at this point. Throwing the bolts in the back right now. Boom, and just like that, they're all in. It's pretty easy, guys, like I said. So that's literally the only things that you have to remove to take off the whole head unit. And then like before that, all we had to do was loosen these bolts and then tensioner loosened up, and then yeah, pretty simple. Let's tighten those up. Guys, this was unreal. Doing D-1X on here. All right, boom, just tightened up the boot down there. And now that the Procharger is actually on and everything, this pulley looks way smaller. Holy. But yeah, everything's pretty much on. Got all these bolts in the back tightened. Got both these clamps on the boot tight. Now it's just time to torque it down and add some Procharger oil. You could tell it's way bigger too, because look how close it is to this hose, guys. This was never this close. Alright guys, so the torque spec for the 8mm is 27 foot-pounds, and for the 7mm is 20 foot-pounds. Alright guys, we finally kind of fast. We made it to the green belts. Nah, but yeah, we got it all hooked up. Just gotta tighten the tensioner, add some oil, and it should be time for the first startup. I'm actually super excited to hear what this thing sounds like, guys. Alright guys, I took this off. About to throw some oil in this thing. The tensioner's already tight. Belt looks great. Alright, boom. Got this thing all filled up, all 6 ounces. Yes, sir. Alright guys, now that's done, we're about to get this first startup and see what the D-1X sounds like. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh, this shit is loud as hell. I can't wait to get this thing tuned, guys. We're literally about to get it tuned in like 2 days. So yeah, stay tuned for that. We're about to take a little LA trip, so yeah. Thanks guys for the whole journey. Like I said, shout out to Grant and Philip at Procharger. You guys did your thing. I can't wait to see you guys do before. 1,000 little horsepower is the goal. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on everything. Next time you see me, I'll be on my way to LA.
Peak's great.
How'd it do?
Your second gear, no more.